Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm walking in Germany in street Kieler Straße, and we're going to the train and we're going to show you how the trains are here in Germany. You can see here many cars going. So let's go to the train station. Look, this is the train. You can see. It's beautiful. And this is the station. The train will be coming now soon. Yes, you can see. This is called Haltestelle. That means it's a bus stop. Okay, bye guys, and now we're gonna stop and then you're gonna see the train in the next channel. Okay guys, bye, and see the next channel to look around inside the train. Thank you very much. Bye.